Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to London.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to drop off?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
All right, please place your bag on the belt.
Okay,
Let me check the weight. Perfect. It's within the limit.
that's good.
Your bag has been checked in.
Great.
Here is your boarding pass and your baggage tag.
Thank you very much.
Your gate number is A12. Boarding will begin in about 1.5 hours.
Okay, thank you for your help.
Now you'll have to go to security checking. They are at the second floor. Use lift. It's 8 your right.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Please place all your belongings in the bin for screening.
Should I remove my jacket and shoes?
Yes, please. Jackets, shoes, belts, and anything metal need to go in tray. Also place your laptop, tab, mobile, and any electronics place them in a separate tray.
Got it. What about liquids?
Any liquid, gels, and creams must be in containers of 100 ml or less and must be placed in a plastic bag. Do you have any of those?
Yes, I have a small bottle of lotion and a shampoo.
Perfect. Place those in this plastic bag and put them in the tray as well.
Thank you. Do I need to take off my watch?
If it is metal, then yes, it might trigger the alarm.
Do I need to empty my pocket?
Yes, please empty your pocket completely, even keys and coins.
Okay, I think that's everything.
Okay, now walk through the metal detector.
It beeped. What should I do?
No problem. Step aside and I'll use a handheld scanner. Looks like it was a bracelet. You can wear after scanning.
So am I free to go now?
Almost. Grab your things from the conveyor belt and make sure you haven't forgetting anything. Have a safe flight.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you can go to your boarding gate because the boarding has started.
Okay. Is this the gate for London Airways?
Yes, hurry. The plane is going to departure.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Welcome to board, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you so much.
We are happy to have you with us. Do you need any help with your luggage?
No, it's fine.
Once you settled, would you like something to drink?
Yes. Can I have a orange juice?
Yes, absolutely. Here you go.
Thank you so much. That's refreshing.
You're welcome. Would you like anything to eat?
What are the options?
Chicken sandwich, pasta, and cup noodles.
Can I have the chicken sandwich?
Yeah, here you go, sir.
That's delicious. Excuse me, where's the washroom?
It's at the front.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, it's time for landing. Please fasten your seat belt.
Okay,
Thank you for flying with us.
you're welcome.
Good evening. May I see your passport, please?
Good evening, sure, here it is.
Thank you. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from USA.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism and to visit some friends.
How long will you stay in the country?
I will stay for about 1 week.
Where will you be staying?
I'll stay at a hotel in the city center.
All right. Everything look at the camera. All right. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.